we should use simple
So
words.
factories smoke.
Factory and factories.
Factories.
It's a
Factories
factory.
smoke.
Until papers are not submitted, they can't go anywhere.
Welcome back to Skills Earth Institute. Today, once more, I'm going to give you a very nice method of practicing English language. That's going to be teamwork today. So I have made several teams here. Team number 1, team number 2, team number 3. What is this? They are sitting on the ground, on the floor. All right, so these trainees are preparing they're just trying to solve some problems. Right, so they are learning today problem solving skills as well as how to communicate in the group. So I'm going to show you very soon. Let's go. Hey guys, are you ready for the communication?
Yes, sir.
Which problem are you solving today?
We are trying to find solution to Paper League.
Paper League.
Yes.
Okay. It's a very recent case, everybody. So they are going to communicate with this. So I will listen to you very soon, right?
Okay,
So
sir.
till then, please have communication. I'm going to just deal with the second here. Hi. Good morning. How are you today? That's amazing. So which problem are you solving today?
Pollution decrease.
Pollution, right? You're solving how to eradicate, how to reduce the pollution. So are you ready for this?
Yes, sir.
So let's just start the conversation right now. So firstly, you tell me the solution, how to solve this problem.
Sir, there are many factories that solve pollution. So factories smoke.
Factory and factory.
Factories.
It's a
Factories
factory,
smoke should
factories.
be controls and
Yeah.
follow rules, government's rules to reduce pollution.
Okay.
And if you should not ride bikes old days.
Okay,
And
old bikes.
Old bikes.
We should run the
Yeah.
proper new bikes, right?
Yes, sir.
So we should remove those bikes
Yes, sir.
because those are creating more pollutions.
Yes, sir.
Very nice, Mr. Manish, right? Next. Mr. Sai, what do you say about this? What do you say about this?
Sir, factory should install pollution.
Factory
Should install pollution.
factory should start pollution.
Install
Factory should not.
Factory should not.
install pollution. Controlled in environment.
Okay. Save environment. Factories should be responsible for it.
Yeah.
Factories should do something for eradicating this, for removing this, for reducing it, right? Okay, so you're just blaming to the factories. Because of them, the pollution is being increased. Okay, Mr. Sahil, so you have nice solution. We'll talk to the companies.
Yes. First of all, sir, don't burn plastic. Burn plastic,
Yes.
and don't throw plastic outside. Throw dustbin.
Throw into dustbin. Dustbin, not dustbin.
Yeah. Throw in the dustbin.
Dustbin. Yeah.
Dustbin and recycle plastic
Oh, yeah, of
and
course.
create products and that's
Use
all.
that. Yes.
sir.
Use that.
Use-
Okay, fantastic, Mr. Azman. So you have highlighted that we should throw all the garbage, everything into the dustbin, right?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So government is also saying again and again, please follow it. Right, but government is not following us. That's
Yes,
why
sir.
people are not following them. But guys, this is good for us. Right? Don't
Yes.
just blame only government. Okay, you please.
Yeah.
What do you think, Sangam?
So we should not throw garbage in river, canal, and ponds because lots of pollution also in river.
Yeah, of course. This
Yes,
is water
sir.
pollution, right?
We should throw garbage in dustbin.
Dustbins.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Ah.
So this is your solution,
Yes,
right?
sir.
As Azman also highlighted the same thing. You're saying that water pollution, especially we
Yes,
should
sir.
not pollute the water. Okay, Mr. Now you just talk about this. Aryan,
You wanna decrease pollution? Firstly,
if you want to decrease pollution,
if you wanna decrease pollution, firstly we should plant more trees.
more trees, right? It is an amazing solution, right?
Yes.
We should plant the trees. Everybody is saying that please plant
We
trees.
should not cut on tree.
We should not cut the trees.
Cut the trees.
Yeah, yeah.
Because suppose that trees is cut, you should not get oxygen. What
You
will
should not
do?
get you will not get oxygen.
You will not get oxygen. What will you do? You will die.
You will die.
Yeah.
Of course. So, guys, we should plant more and
Yeah.
more trees, according to Aryan. Now we have Mr. Shani, right? Shani, what do you think about it?
So guys, pollution is the biggest pollution
Is the biggest problem?
in the world.
Yes, of course.
It's affect your
It affects,
affects in your health
of course.
and animals and your natures.
Of course, of course. So how to remove this, how to eradicate it, and how to just decrease it? We want to know this.
We can
We can decrease.
decrease pollution and planting by more
plant
trees.
More trees, as Aryan highlighted here.
As, yes.
Yes. Anything
We
else?
should we should not throw the garbage on the road and in river.
Right.
Yes.
So these are the solutions, right? So guys, you have given nice solutions to this problem. I'm very happy. Now you should continue your conversation, right? Yes. All right. I'm going to meet the another group right now. Now we have this beautiful group. Hi guys.
Hello, sir.
How are you today? Fine, sir. Are you ready? Yes. As you shared that you are going to give me solutions to very unique problem and very danger problem of this country is paper leak. So what do you think about this, Mr. Shubham?
Sir, according to me, in this time, so many papers leaks.
Papers are being leaked, yes.
Papers are being leaked because of governments. Governments is not
Government
strict.
government is not strict.
Yes, sir.
All right.
And governments make rule, but doesn't follow rule.
Who doesn't follow the rule?
Papers, sir.
People
paper
don't
leak.
follow.
Yes.
It means people are the responsible.
Yes, sir.
Government is also responsible, and people are also responsible,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Both are responsible.
Yes. Sir.
But who is more responsible? Government
Yes,
or
sir.
people?
Governments.
Government is more responsible,
Yes,
of
sir.
course, because that's the supreme power, right?
Yes,
They
sir.
should think of it.
Government should make the rules so
Ah,
people also follow the rules.
Of course, you're right. You're right. Okay. So do you have any other point? Or that's it? Okay, fine.
When we can stop problem.
Then we can. Then
we can
stop the problem. Absolutely, absolutely. So guys, please, government, if you're watching this video, do something. Okay. Now you, Mr. Ashish, tell me the solution.
Everybody.
Very good morning.
In this time in Delhi, there are many students is protecting in
Now many students are protesting, right?
yeah
Hmm.
that paper leak about this paper leak.
Yeah.
I think according to me, the Prime Minister mean Narendra Modi
Yes.
should resign his position.
Oh my God. So,
And-
of course, this is the demand of many
Yes, sir.
people, right?
Yes, sir.
And
Yeah, of course.
many students is demanding
Yes. Many students are demanding about it.
and,
Of course.
demanding select a education prime minister
Mm-hmm.
like Vijay Thalapathy.
Yeah.
All right. Vijay Thalapathy is an actor, right? Is he educated? Very much educated?
He can run India.
Oh my God. How can you say this?
Yes.
He in Tamil Nadu.
In Tamil Nadu, he is performing very nicely.
Yeah, very nice.
All right. He's doing everything with the style.
Yes,
So that's why you like. But Narendra Modi is now old.
Very well. He don't know. He don't think about this. future.
Actually, what I think is, government should be always nurturing their people.
Yes.
Like a family member, like a parent, right? But they are just misbehaving.
Yeah.
People are dying there.
Yes. Sir.
So many
They
things
don't
are
know
happening
about
there.
this thing.
But the prime minister, the supreme power, is doing nothing.
Yes. Sir.
He must come there, right? He must come and do something for our country. He should stop this what is happening there.
Yes.
But he's doing nothing. So what are you gonna say about Prime Minister Narendra Modi now? He's not doing anything. So what should he do?
So very easy. He should be resign his position. Yeah.
So Mr. Narendra
many
Modi ji,
many student demand in Delhi.
what is this? We are not against any party. We are not against anything. We are not promoting any kind of party and all. We are just promoting the problem actually.
Yeah.
Our problem is very much.
Yes,
and nobody's listening. And we are the part of this country. Our country is democratic.
Yes.
So,
Yes. Sir.
so our voice should be listened.
Yes. Sir.
And the government is not listening, right? Government should respond at least. Please come and say something.
Yes.
Say something, right? We will understand you also. But he's not doing anything. So now what's your solution about paper leak? Please hold this mic, man.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
As far as I know about paper leak in our India,
Yep.
the biggest problem in our India,
Yeah.
the many politicians they are
Politicians?
they are uneducated.
Oh.
I'm not saying everyone, but very some.
Some
That's why
most of the politicians are not much educated, right?
Yes.
They're not well educated.
that's why they are unable to take discussion at the right time. That's why it's happening.
Right.
And I'm saying, when you don't know how to run country,
Yes.
then why are you doing like this? You should resign.
Yeah,
And
of course. So according to Ashish,
sir.
the politicians should be well qualified. Like you just choose well qualified teachers,
Yes, sir.
well qualified military, everything you just take the test, examinations.
such as for a student become a IAS officer, we had to qualify like this
UPSC,
exam.
mains,
That's why I wanna he should give an exam.
Yeah, they
become
should take exam.
political.
They should take exams
They should take exam. Become a politician.
for becoming politicians.
After that, they understood value
They
of
will understand. They will understand.
After that, they will
Understand the value of position.
value of education,
Position as well.
and feeling of student.
Of course, of course. Now you please.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
As we know that in our India, papers are being leaked. So, because of I think that less security and corruption, in this time, as government employees are taking bribe. They're not following rules.
Right.
And there is also less digital security. I think that's government should make a rule.
Of course.
Who makes
Government is making a lot of rule, right?
Yeah.
But the problem is it's not being followed.
it's not followed.
And they are not focusing on this, right?
I think that government should be strict.
Of course.
And who makes a paper, they cannot go anywhere, and they should not have any digital things such as mobile and digital war. They cannot talk with any person, and until papers are not submitted, they can't go anywhere. And even though if people leaks, so I think that government should suit them. Yes, sir.
First of all, we should know who is the real criminal.
Yeah,
We should know them actually.
sir. We know government is
The
the
system is the criminal, right?
Yes, sir.
The system is the criminal. And you cannot just identify this person is the criminal because everybody is being the part of it, right? If people don't give the bribe, how can they take? Think of
Yeah.
it. It means people are also the problem.
Yep.
We are also the responsible people, but they are more.
Yeah, they are.
Why are
because-
you doing this? We are
Because
sitting
they
on
have a
that-
lot of power, sir. They can use
for
properly.
good reason, right?
Yeah.
Of course. Now you please. Very nice points, guys.
Sir, in my point of view,
Yes.
so all government greased for money. Yeah, sir,
They have a
because
greediness, right?
yes, sir, because they don't care student future. They don't understand student feeling.
Yes.
Yeah, so they don't they think
Yes.
only about money. Yeah, so in my according to me, so they must strict punishment, and they must remove from his position. Yes, sir.
Student.
Of course. So what do you want to say? What do you want to say?
They don't want student do something in our future.
They should resign.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right, so okay, thank you very much, everybody.
We want justice.
When you know India is democracy country,
It's a democratic country, of
democracy
course.
country, you should according to do work constitution.
Yes.
Not otherwise.
Okay, thank you very much, guys.
Yes, sir.
You have talked much. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
How are you today?
I'm fantastic.
Okay, so today this group is going to solve a very beautiful problem. That's the communication,
How
right?
to communicate.
People are not able to communicate very properly. So they are going to tell us some solutions to this problem. So firstly, you start. What do you think? What is the problem of people are not able to communicate? What is the problem?
So I believe for effective communication, firstly,
Make eye contact with everyone or me, something like this.
No.
Again, start.
I believe communication start with listening. So firstly, we should listen carefully.
Okay.
We should understand the thinking and the feeling of the person.
Right, right.
And we should also use soft and respectful tone.
Obviously.
Yeah.
So we should listen well and speak with the soft and respectful tone.
Yeah.
So we can communicate effectively.
Yeah.
All right, Rosie, thank you very much. Now you, please. Who is there? Okay, Miss Manju.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
Good morning, my dear friend. Sir, I think we should confidently and
We should feel confidence, right?
yes,
Okay, fine. Continue.
sir. We should listen the whole matter I speak
Whole matter.
Whole matter.
Uh-huh.
We should speak clearly with energy and smile.
Of course, of course.
Thereby, everyone could understand. They
Understand.
understand.
Yes, understand.
They could reply easily way, and we should pay attention formal and informal.
Yes,
And we
yes.
should not nervous. That's
We should
all.
not feel nervous. We should understand who is elder, who is junior and
Yes,
senior,
sir.
right?
Yes.
We should talk to them like that.
Yes.
Okay, very nice, Miss Manju. Now you, what's your solution to this problem?
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
Good morning, everyone. Sir, I think we should not speak fastfully.
Fast foodie?
Fastly.
Fastly.
Fastly. We should not speak fastly and choose the right time.
Okay.
Right time and communication. Ask question. Ask a question. Ask a question. If you not understand, then before you speak.
Okay,
And,
fine. Before you speak, you should clear firstly, like what you are trying to say. Okay. Firstly, try to understand what the person is saying, then respond. Okay, thank you very much. You.
Hello, sir. Good morning.
Very good morning.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. We should understand other feeling.
Others feeling right.
Others feeling. Yes. We we should communicate.
We should communicate.
Communicate honestly.
Honestly, obviously, right.
Yes, sir. Good communication would strong relationship, and good and we should communicate relations
Respectfully.
respectfully. Yes, sir.
All right. Okay. 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 Sonam, thank you very much. So we should talk respectfully and
honestly.
honestly, right? Thank you so
Yes,
much.
sir.
Now, Shivangi.
Good morning, everyone. Sir, in my opinion, we should respect other opinions.
Others' opinion, right? Right.
Yes, sir. We should not interrupt other while they are speaking.
This is beautiful point that you have highlighted here, right? I have seen so many people, they don't let others speak, right? They only speak. I will be speaking. I'm the speaker. So you are saying nice point actually. We should not interrupt if somebody is speaking. We should listen firstly, completely. Okay, very good point.
We should speak kindly to other.
Okay, now Shami Tiwari, what's your point? I've seen that you're very nervous, like you're feeling nervous, you're going here and there.
No, sir, I'm good.
Okay, now please tell us how to communicate effectively.
So we should speak clearly and confidently. We should use simple words.
Yes.
Everyone can understand us.
Of course, of course. Shami is saying very nice point, guys. You know, what happens, people think if I speak very difficult, then I will be sounding like very great and effective public speaker or speaker. So it's a misconception, ladies and gentlemen. I have seen the speeches of Shashi Tharoor, right? I've watched several of his videos. So he speaks difficult words, right? In order to speaking like very, very effective. But those words are not that much important when people don't understand you. They Google it, they search it. So why are you making this kind of communication? You should try to use simple words so that they can understand. So you've highlighted very nice point. Thank you very much, everybody.